I'm the owner of KG Marketing Solutions, Garrett Communications Agency, and now nonprofit Colorful Dreams. I used your services for trying to basically put together a plan as to how to formulate and how to get everything moving. With a lot of thoughts in my head is always jumbled, and it's hard to kind of narrow down where you should go, what you should do, and how you should do it. And basically, after the last call, I had a plan. I came out with a plan. Like everything was down with dates on how I was gonna do it, when I was gonna do it, and even how to get there. So that was dope for me. Actually, being able to take it out of my head and get it on paper. It's so hard to have it all in your head and even figure out, okay, how am I gonna get from here to there in a timely fashion and when. So it was good working with you to be able to do that and come out with it. The way you did it was creative as ever, and I don't think I could have ever figured it out or ever thought to formulate it and get to the plan that we got to. Seeing the outcome after the conversation was great. I was hyped, super hyped, and it was super motivational. Like it actually got me up to do some things. So these really do help me, and it helps me stay on track. You know what I mean? Like it helps me stay on track because now, like that's one more thing off my list. Like I don't have to figure out. You know what I'm saying? I just gotta basically hone my skills in it and telling it. That's it. But it's already done. So now it's something off my list. You know what I mean? Today's session was perfect because it basically helped me tell a story that I couldn't even figure out where to begin. I would have never thought of how to begin to tell that story. Like you made me think of pieces of my life and my story that I would have never thought to tell. You basically showed me the importance of all the stuff that I've been through, and you threw it all together. Whereas, and I think it might be a small piece, but it's a significant piece of who I am and how I got to where I am. So I appreciate your help in that because that helped me out a lot. Like I say, everything that I've been through, I'm just like, I've been through stuff, but it's not important. Like, it's just a struggle that's not important, but you helped me see that every piece tied in to basically me becoming who I am right now and the story that God has me about to share with the world. So I appreciate that.